Hey, here's a quick tutorial on how not to destroy your electrical boxes when you're using your rotary tool. This is just an example box that I put up here, but here's our rotary tool. It's RotoZip, bought it at Home Depot. So, not sponsored, I wish, but all right. So first thing first is you wanna make sure that your wires are tucked in way back. That's an example one, but here's what I'm talking about. We really got that wire all the way back, so our tool will never actually, our blade will actually never reach that. That's first. Second is when I'm aiming it, when I'm aiming my RotoZip, where I'm gonna try to come is into one of these corners. So I'm gonna measure just about to here from the top, and then from over, I'm gonna measure past here. So, and I know that I'm gonna try to go, you know, about in this area and then go right. You never wanna really measure to right here, because if you miss it this way, you're like, you know, start fishing for it, then kind of gets a little bit dirty, and then you have to do extra mud. All right, so kind of go over our bits. You want to make sure that you get the right bit. You see how this bit at the end is just smooth circle? That spiral does not continue all the way through. So what that allows you is to treat this as almost a router. So when I'm coming in into my box here, I'm gonna angle out. I'll kind of point it. I'm gonna angle out so then I can come, and then my circle, my tip will hit that, and I'm not gonna chew through the box. So then I'm feeling that box, and then I'll come out. You'll feel that slowly, and you'll come this way. So once you know you made that jump, you want to tilt your blade out a little bit now this way, and then you start making your cut. I usually cut this way because it stays tighter. But the whole time you're pointing away. You see how like I'm tilted out? I'm gonna exaggerate the motion here, but I'm tilted out like this much. And then here you're gonna be tilted up, but you don't, you know, it's not gonna be this much. But never go this way, because now if you're this way, you're gonna eat right through. And that's why you know, if you're coming around and you're like this, exaggerating motion again, but you're like this, then you're gonna be chewing right through that box. Let me show you what this does to a 2x4 when, kind of what I mean by, you know, your angles. Let me set this up. So, all right, here we go. So this is gonna be tilted away, basically the way I'm saying, like, instead of this way, I'm gonna tilt away. So here we go. You see, that's still brand new. Now I'm gonna tilt in, again, kind of exaggerated, but I'm gonna tilt in and I'll show you what that does to a 2x4, which is much stronger than your box, but watch this. That would eat right through our box. And that's what I mean. So you always, when you're working with these boxes, you want to take your time, even if it takes you a minute to cut out, which I would never do. If it takes you a minute to cut this out, it's still better than having to compound it 3 times, sand it, and then have the little whiskers and all that other crap. So I would recommend, definitely consider doing those angles. That's how I've been doing it. Let me show you one that I just cut out. What I'm talking about here, and look how those wires, because there's 2 of them, they're really out here. So, you know, that's a perfect cutout around that, and you don't rush it, you take your time with it, and that's how that works. Let me know what you guys thought about this video, and if you have any other videos that you'd like to know about bathroom renos and just any of this other stuff. I appreciate it.